In this video, I'll show you how to verify LinkedIn without passport. The first thing to know is that in many cases, you do not need a passport to verify on LinkedIn. The exact option depends on your country and on which LinkedIn verification method is available to you. LinkedIn says that in the US, Canada, and Mexico, identity verification is handled through Clear. And Clear can accept a driver's license, state ID, or passport. LinkedIn also says account recovery through Persona can accept a government-issued ID card, driver's license, or passport, and in India there is also a DigiLocker verification option. So if you are trying to verify your LinkedIn profile without a passport, the easiest route is usually to use another accepted government ID. For many users, that means a driver's license or a national or state ID card. LinkedIn's help pages specifically list those as accepted alternatives in the relevant verification flows. Here is how to do it. Open your LinkedIn profile, go to the verification area, and start the identity verification process. LinkedIn says this is available from the verification section on your profile. Then follow the prompts from the verification provider linked to your country. If your verification method supports more than one ID type, choose your driver's license or government-issued ID card instead of a passport. If you are in the US, Canada, or Mexico, LinkedIn says Clear is the identity provider. In that flow, you may be asked for a selfie and then for a government-issued ID. And Clear accepts driver's licenses, state IDs, and passports. So for this region, verifying without a passport is very possible as long as you have one of the accepted non-passport IDs. If you are in India, LinkedIn says identity verification can be done using DigiLocker credentials, which can be another way to verify without using a passport. That makes DigiLocker the most relevant option there when it is available and your LinkedIn profile details match the credential information. There is one important limitation to know. For LinkedIn profile verification through Persona in many additional countries, LinkedIn currently says this method is available for people with a valid NFC-enabled passport. So in those countries, if your available profile verification route is Persona, a passport may still be required for that specific badge flow. If your goal is not a public profile verification badge, but account recovery, LinkedIn gives more flexibility. In the Persona recovery flow, LinkedIn says you can use a government-issued ID card, driver's license, or passport. It also says that if you do not want to submit a government ID or selfie, there may be other recovery methods in some cases, including a notarized affidavit of identity or work email verification when eligible. A good tip is to make sure the ID image is clear, complete, well-lit, and fully visible. LinkedIn's troubleshooting pages say blurry photos, glare, mismatched country selection, or cut-off corners can cause verification to fail even when the ID type is accepted. So the simple answer is this. Yes, you can often verify LinkedIn without a passport by using a driver's license, state ID, national ID card, or DigiLocker. But it depends on your country and the exact verification flow LinkedIn gives you. In some Persona profile verification countries, an NFC-enabled passport is still required for that specific method. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.